Good morning, traders. Ala Peters on this spectacular January 7th. So this morning, every morning I start with my incredible students all over the world. This is a couple of hours with my incredible students, with my incredible traders who are my friends for life. These are the traders who are trading with institutions. These are the traders who think and trade as top 1% does. This is all I know. This is all I do. This is who I raised. This is who I mentor. How to think and how to trade is multi-billion-dollar trader. Some of the traders in front of you in this class moving billions and millions of dollars with Alpha Fibonacci System. But if you're listening and looking at Richard, what does Richard share this morning? He placed a trade pre-market. As of right now, institutional rally overextended. As of right now, institutional rally in war zone. As of right now, only junk is present. Richard does not need hand holding. Richard is done for today. So if you listen to Richard's podcast, what does he do? Exact same thing as every hedge fund trader does. He doubled his $50,000 demo before trading live. Started trading live 3 weeks ago. Shooting for 300, 500 per lot. 90% success rate. Boom. Genius. Who obeys Alpha Fibonacci rules. Richard trading this system. It's in front of you. It's black and white. That's 14-year-old Dominic shared in his podcast is the best video game in town. You have bold green lines. Institutions buying this market. Since March 23rd, I spelled out every single morning. Only longs. No institutional shorts in this market. All of the longs played out well before trading room open. Richard does not need hand holding. Richard understands this is massive junk. This is broker's heaven. This is where accounts getting blown up. Staring at this is a waste of time. In the current markets, it plays out 90+% of the time because institutions holding longs. Institutions keep buying the pullbacks, but historical high causes very challenging market conditions. Let me remind you Alpha Fibonacci system and what we will be discussing with my incredible students in the class. Boom, Adnan. 27 points in Q. Adnan's best friend Emmanuel brought Adnan to the course. After Emmanuel brought his wife to the course. It's a family affair. Friends bringing their friends, husbands, wives, fathers bringing their children, children bringing their fathers. Here's Jennifer. Boom! Good morning, beautiful. Joy being with you. Please keep me posted on how you are doing. So this is what these traders trade. This is what these traders think. As billion-dollar traders at top 1% is the only way to trade. Here's the Alpha Fibonacci system. 2019. What do you see at the bottom? 2200 level, correct? This is a trade that this is a chart that institutional traders trade. Intelligent trader understands when reversal zone is met, 80+% of the time, market will crash and burn. Understanding institutional marks is critical. 2019, market selling off. Intelligent trader understands many months ahead that 2200 is institutional reversal zone. All the details in Thursday class after the close of the trading room and modules 3 and 4. So when price reaches institutional support 2200, Alpha Fibonacci trader turns off the noise, turns off the panic. This is institutional bottom. This is where every single day you have 10, 15, 20, 50, 500 trades. All depends on instrument and chart you trade. Institutions start taking long. Bottom is the place to enter. Market flying. Volatility is in. Bottom is present. Bullish rally goes on. Intelligent trader understands where reversal zone will be next, many months ahead. So if you're trading your 1, 2, 3, 5, 15, whatever chart you trade, you understand this is billion-dollar train. You're riding with institutions again and again and again. 2020 market reaches reversal zone many months ahead, but market not selling off. Alpha Fibonacci support respected again and again and again. There is no sell-off. There are endless institutional longs. And that's the market with Alpha Fibonacci system. And that's your multi-billion-dollar trade that you're writing your little or your large account with. You decide what you want to trade. Choice is yours. This morning, there is no 10, 15, 20, 50, 500 trades per day. There are very few trades are present. Market no longer 2200, correct? What do you see on this chart? This is a chart since last week in March. We are at institutional reversal zone this morning, correct? You remember that? And that's what brilliant Jennifer knows. Music to my ears. Good morning, beautiful. Amazing to see you. What a stunning work. What an incredible effort by my magnificent traders who think and trade as top 1% does. This is family affair. I'm very proud of my incredible traders. All you have to do, obey the rules. And the skies are the limit. Because if Adnan, Jennifer, Richard can do this, as every single day different trader updates us, so can you. So here's the software in front of you. Did we know that this is not the place to buy? What did we discuss with students before? There is no indicators here. You don't need any indicators. It is very simple, pure price. Institutional buyers, buy and sell zones. This is junk because institutions not selling this market. Institutions not closing positions, correct? Jennifer knows this very well. Jennifer takes advantage of the crisis. Do not overcomplicate trading. Pretty please. So brokers heaven remains. My brilliant intelligent trader knows that. It's a waste of time, and this can last another 8 hours. And again, why? Simple. When institutional rally overextended, this creates the most challenging market conditions. There is nothing in common between buying the bottom, between buying at support, between entering with institutions versus trading when institutions holding longs. These very challenging market conditions can remain for months and years. My brilliant, intelligent traders know this. Do not overcomplicate trading. That's it. So the pullback playing out, we will stick around. If not, we're off to class. And that's every single time exact same thing. Thousands and thousands of emails. Carlton, major executive of a company, introduced his dear friend to the course. And when Carlton sent me this text on Christmas Day, it's the biggest gift again from a student who is changing lives. It never gets old, I promise. So pretty please, obey the rules and the sky's the limit. System is simple. Red means do not buy. Red means do not enter into brick wall. And when scanner give you the alert, and if this is the institutional bias on the instrument you trade and all the rules obeyed, take a trade. Do not overcomplicate trading. So in the class after the close of the trading room, this is what students will be learning, how to identify these levels far in advance. We identified this bullish rally days in advance. This is your little retail chart. So if you're trading 5-minute chart, you know many days in advance. Do not ever enter into this level. If you're trading 3-minute chart, you know days in advance. Do not ever enter into this level. That's it. Where's ultimate buy? When you're looking at day trading charts, these levels of support, traders, nowhere near here. And if you're trading 15-minute chart, rules remain the same. Every single one of these traders trades this. That's it. You will never, ever need anything else. So the fact that pullback is in a play is a gift, correct? We discussed this well before it happened. So if you are a trigger happy cowboy and you're trading without institutional bias, go ahead and short the market. Intelligent trader, not in front of the screen right now. Intelligent trader monitoring for a pullback. Intelligent trader thinks only as institutional traders do. And if the price remains stuck here, there is nothing happening here. This is a critical level. This is a crucial level in front of you. This is a system with software. Red line is present. Do not enter into. If the pullback is worthless, nothing good will happen here. This war zone will remain. So when institutions doing nothing, so do you. Staring at the screen is never, ever an option. trading as a sniper, being proactive trader is the only option. Boom. 10 hours per week. Stunning, phenomenal work. None of these traders staring at this. It's broker's heaven. It's a waste of time staring at this. And that's what separates brilliant, intelligent trader who operates as a sniper, who trade with institutions. So if market not pulling back to here, nothing good will happen here. Broker's heaven will remain. In current market conditions, this plays out 90+% of the time. Again and again and again, because institutional rally overextended. There is nothing in common between trading here versus trading here. Only if you operate as a sniper, you will succeed. So if you can trade these most challenging market conditions on record in many, many years, everything else will be a breeze. That's it. And that's Alpha Fibonacci System this morning. Market stock. We knew this before it played out. And that's intelligent, brilliant trading. 30 minutes before market open, and then maximum 1 to 2 hours, and done for the day. So I highly encourage you, listen to Richard's podcast. Listen to Emmanuel's podcast, whose beautiful wife Jennifer in the course this morning, and his best friend Adnan. It's a family affair, and you saw Carlton's text on Christmas. It never gets old, I promised. Thousands and thousands of emails from traders who are making an effort, who are enjoying their life. If these traders can do it, who share every single day, different success stories, different journeys, different everything, so can you. So listen to Richard's podcast. I hope very, very soon we're gonna get an update from Richard. View latest emails and texts I receive from traders. It never gets old, I promise. Because if these traders can do it, so can you. Simply trade with institutions, and the skies are the limit. And when you do, and 14-year-old boy can do this, so can you. You decide what you want to trade. Simply choose from 4 packages available, and you will know when to trade, when not to trade. You will master how to trade with institutions and not against them. Limited number of software released. I never flood the market with software, only limited number of software available. If you are on Ninja 8, you will receive scanners. You will receive trade with precise entry, precise stop, precise target. Simply choose institutional power trade. But if you want to trade on any other platform, first package is for you. This is lifetime system, lifetime software for Ninja 8 with 3 months course, live classes, video library and modules. Private mentoring, I hold your hand, I spell out. I give you multi-million-dollar trade. 99% of my students finishing private mentoring within a couple of weeks. I teach you exact same trade I taught to JP Morgan trader. But all of this starts with this. When not to trade when not to lose money is the most important part of your trading. In current market conditions, it's 90+%. This is the most important moment when you're trading instantly shifting to a very different level. In current markets, it lasting at least 16 hours per day. Software showing you. Red line is present. Software showing you. Bad idea to buy near. Can you do that? Can you identify institutional buyers? Can you buy from green line with rules? Tell me. If you can, that's it. The skies are the limit. As Brad shares, Alpha Fibonacci System put you on the right path to success. So every single day in this room, traders who trade micro account, who trade regular account, who trade multi-million and billion-dollar account, every trader trades exact same rules. You decide what you want to trade. And when the pullback will play out, when the price will retrace to institutional levels, trader will not leave the screen. This is how Richard trades. Simple, with 90% success rate. Started live trading 3 weeks ago. That's it. Simple. Do not overcomplicate trading. All of this before market open. No hand holding required. 7.5 points on S&P on one lot. $400 roughly. On 10 lots, $4,000 roughly. On 20 lots, $8,000 roughly. I have no idea what lot size Richard trades. It's his personal business. But what does he share? When he will get 300 to 500 per lot, and if he'll add one lot size per month, 1 year 10 lots, at the end of 2 years 20 lots, at the end of 5 years 50 lots, working less than 10 hours per week, trading with 90% success rate. So I cannot wait for podcast with Richard. I cannot wait for podcast with Adnan. Jennifer's husband did the podcast with me. It's on the website. And when Jennifer will find the moment, I'm sure she will do the podcast. It's a family affair with incredible traders who are making an effort. None of them wasting their time on junk. This is the most important part. As Theo shares, very inspiring indeed, and that will forever remain the most important part. So please, if you can obey red line, if you can obey green line, if you can trade with institutional buyers, and stop wasting your time on junk, stop losing money, you will be one of these traders with killer trades. That's it. This is a market that can last many, many months. This is the most important part. And it's on every single chart. And it's on every single index. And this is how you test it to the core every single day. In the course you learn this part. In the course you learn when to trade and when not to waste time on junk. That's it. We're off to class. So if you sign up today, this could be the best thing you've ever done in your life. It will be a life-changing event, as it is for many traders all over the world who are sharing their journeys, who are inspiring others. I look forward to doing podcasts with you. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you, traders, for spectacular start to New Year. Thank you for obeying the rules. Thank you for sharing your journeys. Thank you for changing lives. Thank you for showing the world that the most important part of your trading, when not to lose money, when not to lose your mind. And when you do, the skies are the limit. Adios. We're off to class. Trading room will reopen on Monday.